Good afternoon. I am present my homework night. I am present my current vitae. My name is Lisa Monserrat Avalos Aguirre. Email is limaba09@gmail.com. Address and Carlos San Madrazo, number 23, Convivencia en Huimanguillo. My gender is female. I my formation for me and the perfect to LinkedIn in the presentations. My profile, I am sixth semester student for the industrial engineering in the Tech Millennium University. With skill B, Excel, permit language, I will experience to the meta analytic statistical. My training progress in the logistical material reasoning during laws in the logistic and quality area. I stand for my ability to work as a team and to acquire experience to the quality logistic in the workplace. I tried the continuous and the proven and related training in the August 8 and the industrial engineer professional in 10 millennials Villahermosa, Tabasco. My experience industrial type and the quality supervisor in the impress the promin in the Cardenas, Tabasco. It helped the job the profs. I experienced to increase the work, quality control, and service annex. My attitude, I believe in the quality management. If identification, diagnostic operation, company progress, to the quality manual, for the ISO 21 certification. I am pleased Six Sigma method and for the my method in the process to the process the good service, the board the planning the strategy in the pro operation the company supply chain company. I understood the use important considered semi organization, identifying to the calculating the cost, to reach it, the high even propose a solution increment to the probability for the business, Excel minded, problem solution and meditation, strategic thinking, planning and organization in worth it. And the language, my language native is Espanol. You have to talk to English, you have approximately one. My certificates the CNTA is what certificates is the approved to accredited the most the personal junior the skilled information security and inventories is a security credit certification to avoid organization national logistics. A mature certification is Yellow Belt, is for Six Sigma, in implement to the pros to the quality in the process, a company in the additional participation in the average events necessary to the pros, a specific process, generate in the part in the department to the projects. And volunteering in the sponsor in the neural aerial installations in Villahermosa. It's into assistant to the creation of safety tank in the municipality in the Huimanguillo, in the health in the community. And finally, my professional success. I am a scholarship during my industrial engineering student for my course grades. I inspired my perfect ES company to the press in my job to apply. Thank you.